about the different types of columns in our Revit software, right? So we will go to our Revit, open a new project. So we have opened our new project, right? So we will see the columns in our Revit software. So here we have two types of columns, right? This is the structural column and this is the architectural. If we go to structural, so we will see the structural ones. So here there will be universal I channel, right? So if you go to edit, so if you go to load, so here we can go to our structural. So here we have columns. So here we have different types of like concrete. So this is a concrete round, right? So it will change the diameters, right? So this is the breadth, the concrete. So here we can see if you go to 3D, here we can see our concrete column, right? So this is our concrete column, right? So like this we can see, or else if you go to structural, go to column, so go to edit tab, again we can go to load and go to our structural columns. So here are some precast ones. Here you can see all this, right? So this is the one precast one, right? So this is how it looks precast. So here we can see the edges, the chamfer here. So that will be there in the precast column, right? So here we can see how the precast columns are there, right? So again we'll go to our columns, to edit. So here we load, again go to structural columns. So here we have steels. So different type of steel channels like we have seen just before, right? So in this we'll see this white flange column, right? Select one section, on OK. So from here we can see. So this is our flange column, right? We go to realistic. So here we can see. So this is a precast. This is a concrete and this is steel ones, right? So if you want to change the materials, you can also select this one and go to edit. And here we can change all this, right? Now if you go to edit, so now you'll see the wooden columns. So we go to columns, wood. So here we have these types of woods, right? Can open. Now click on OK. So it has changed it, right? This has our wooden column, right? So like this, we can create different types of columns and different types of sizes, right? So the structural will be used for the structural purpose and the architectural is used for the architecture. If we go here, so this is the architectural, our regular rectangular column, right? So here we have the sizes of different sizes, right? If you go here, there are different sizes. If you go to edit type, so here we have the materials. We can change our materials, these two. Which material if you want, we can change, right? So we are going to take the ceramic tiles. Click on OK. Click on OK. So see here, so it has changed to our tiles, right? So this how we can see here, right? The consistent colors, right? So these are some different types of columns, right? So again we'll go to our architecture. So go to edit type, go to load. So we can also load from outside also. We can download any other columns also, right? So here we have this type of columns, right? On OK, select here. So here we have this type and again go to load and go to columns. So So here you have 5% bifisters, spheres. Go to load columns. Here we have some classicals. So this is the one, some pedestal column, right? Here you will see different types of structures or any parks or any architectural designing. So these are regular columns. So this is one different type of column, right? So see, that is one type of column, right? So again go to load columns. So this is a pedestrian column, right? So like this, we have so many different types, and you can also load from the outside also. You can download this from outside, right? So we have the T-shaped. So and if you go to again edit load columns, this is the metal ones, and you can change the properties also, guys. So if you go to edit again, go to load columns. So this is another type, right? So like this, we have different types of columns due to some version may not be available, but if you see, the maximum will be available here, right? So we'll see with the consistent colors. So here we have so this type of column here, pedestrian, and this is one type of column, and this is, so these are structurals and these are architectural. So for weaving good purpose of architectural, we can use this, right? In structural drawing also, we can use this kind of drawings also, right? Because it will make it a good look, right, for our structure. So we can draw this. So now we will take our units. We will get it to meters. Okay and okay. So now we will go to our south. So these are up to our this level, right? So we will go to our level 1. So we will place a column somewhere like this. So these all. Go here. So we have placed like this, right? So these are up to of same height, right? So now what we will do means we go to the level 2. So here we have. So now we will add one. We will add a floor, right? So go to floor, take the boundaries, select over here and here up to here, right? So and we are taking this as, I'm going to take this as with this one, right? On OK, and apply. Go to 3D. So for here we can see, so this is short one, so it is up to top level. So we can select the base offset, so it is of height of same one, right? So we'll delete this, no problem, right? So I'll also delete this one. So this is how we can see our columns, right? So different types of columns. So what if we go to realistic? So and now we will see these columns in the rendering. So how they will look after a rendering, right? I'm going to zoom it, click on render. We are taking off best quality. So we have some only, no? I'm taking sun only, click on, so no clouds, click on render. So it is going to render, right? So we have placed these elements, right? So that's why it is making so much fast render. If you after doing all the building, it will take much time, right? For the best quality. Revit software, right? If you go with consistent colors, if you go to codes, so everything will be defined. If you go to fine, it will be more defined, right? If you go to the level 1, so if you go, you cut the section, so we are going to cut the section over here. So we'll cut the section. So we have cut the section. We can see here. So we have the wireframe, and this is the section where we can see here, right?